Guys, welcome back to the channel. So this is today's daily cipher word. As always, click on this button 3 times, 1 2 3, until it turns red. So the word is tone. Okay, I may make a detailed video about this, but I just wanted to let you guys know very fast. The word is tone, and the cipher code for tone, let me do this. It's going to be TON. And to get a T, remember we said you long press and you get that dash. Then to get O, you long press 3 times. Okay, then to get N, you long press, then tap once. Okay, for T, you long press once. For O, you long press 3 times. Okay, then N, you long press once and tap a dot. So this is what we are going to do. Long press and they will give us T. Okay, now for O, we long press 3 times. Long press, release, long press, release, long press, release. You have to be fast. Okay, so I'm going to do it very fast. Let me do long press T. Whoa, long press T. My phone is freezing. That's T. That's O, then N, long press, then O. Then the word is tone. Okay, I'm going to make a detailed video about this in case you're confused. That's today's word. Secret word, it was tone, and you'll be able to get your 1 million.